ไฟเลยนะครับ
Okay guys, welcome to the beach. It's a rocky beach, but it's a beautiful place, let me tell you. Look at this. It's just like Tom Yum, but it's got a different name that I can't say. Look at that mussel. You see that? It's freaking huge. Look at it. It's just steaming. Or that is delicious. It's the biggest mussel I've had in years. Man, oh man, that's good stuff. It's all seafood. It's all seafood I got here, you know. Look at the shrimp. Not huge. Oh, it's so fresh though. Mushroom. Squid. Oh, that's so good. Look at this. Giant shrimp. Is that an oxymoron? It might be. Look at all the chilies on there. Oh. Still got the skin on. The shells. It's very unique flavor.
Oh, spicy.
No, it's delicious.
Oh,
Not spicy. Oh, that's so good, man. Finger licking good. Curry crab. Oh. It's a very different version of it as well. This place is called COCO Bar. Oh wow. It's so good. I think this is the best one. Out of the three, this is the best one. Big chunks of crab meat, yeah? Man, oh man. Life in paradise is pretty good. Big chunk of fish. Oh, so good. This is like Tom Yum's cousin, you know? It's got almost all the same ingredients, but it's different flavor. Oh man. This curry crab is the best one though. Ooh. I could get used to this lifestyle. Maybe pretty quick. Man, that's good stuff. And we get to see sunset. There's some fishing boats. I think there's 5 or 6 small fishing boats out there squid fishing. They're getting ready to go squid fishing. Oh, that curry crab is something else. Got some chili that time.